Stop right now and keep attention, because today I'm going to share with you extremely powerful sales technique that will literally allow you to triple or quadruple your sales like this. And it has nothing to do with latest gimmicks or tweaking your sales scripts. It's all about tweaking your offer. So let's jump into that. Okay, so I first learned this strategy when I was selling my high-ticket $3,000 package for done-for-you advertising services. So I was selling this done-for-you service for $3,000, and I learned that I should actually offer more options. I should create different packages. So I literally just sat down and I thought about, okay, what other two packages should I create, right? What can I offer to my clients for a higher ticket price? And I spent like 1 hour writing it down. I wrote everything that I could potentially offer to my clients, and I came up with two more expensive packages. So instead of offering just $3,000 package, I also created $5,000 package and $10,000 package, and I include some bonuses and some really cool stuff to make it work, right? And I remember that first time I used it, I had actually a guy scheduled a call with me. He was really interested in my help, and I was like, okay, right now I will actually test it. I will actually test to offer 3 packages instead of just making like one offer, right? And the thing what happened is he wasn't able to jump on the call with me, so I literally did my close through Messenger on Facebook, right? So I went through the same sales structure I'm doing on the sales call, but I did it with a text on Messenger, because like it applies to everything, right? Like if you know how to sell, you can do it through text, you can do it through video, through call, it doesn't matter. So I did it through Messenger, and when it comes to my page, I actually did it for the first time. I laid out my 3 packages. I called it my silver package, my gold package, and my platinum VIP package. And what happened is the guy went immediately for a $10,000 package. And I was like blown away, right? If I didn't made it offer, if I didn't create new packages, I would literally lost $7,000 from the deal, right? Because I would offer just this $3,000 package. So this is really important, and right now I want to share with you why it's so powerful and how you can make it work for your business. And I call it really the airline method. And the reason is because airlines are using this all the time. If you think about it, right now I'm in Czech Republic here, right? And if I want to go to Asia, let's say I want to travel to Thailand, right? From Czech Republic to Thailand. And there is a gap between Czech Republic and Thailand, right? So what do I need to do if I want to go from here, from point A to point B, which is Thailand? I need to go and I need to buy flight tickets, right? But here's the thing, if you noticed, the airlines offer several different options when it comes to buying your flight ticket. You have economic class, you have business class, you have first class, right? And the difference between the prices when it comes to economic class and the first class is quite big. Like usually it's around 5 times more. So why some people buy and purchase like the first class ticket if it costs more, like 5 times more than my economic class ticket, and we will get to the same destination, right? We both will go to Thailand. We will land in Thailand at the same time. It will take same amount of time, right? But they are literally paying. There are people every single day paying 5 times more for the same travel to the same destination. So why is that? The reason is because in every given market, I don't care what market you are in, I don't care what business you are in every given market, there is certain segment and certain percentage of people in that market that is willing to pay premium prices for premium services. They simply want the best possible service and they are willing to pay for it, right? You know that some people, let's say if they are looking to buy a laptop, right? They just go and they literally don't think about it, they just buy the most expensive one because they believe it's the best one, right? So they are just willing to pay for premium. And it's the same thing with your market. So whatever you are selling right now, I want you to sit down, put some timer for 1 hour and think about what other 2 more expensive packages you want to create. 3 packages is really ideal, and I will talk about in a few seconds why and what it does on the sales call and when you are actually making your offer. So sit down, write down what other you can offer and charge more for it. Right? I want you to create 3 different packages where what you are selling right now will be the lowest one, right? It will be the most the cheaper one. And how you want to structure this is where the cheaper one, right? The cheapest one, you really don't focus on that. There is like just a few benefits of that, right? The middle one should be the highest value. You actually want them to take the middle package, right? So there will be tons of benefits, and the price, the jump between like the first package and second package will not be that big, right? And then the third VIP package, this most expensive package, you want to make it outrageous, right? You want to make it really big, where like the price, there will be like big jump in the price, right? Because what it does is, first, you will really make it clear that the middle package is like the best value for their money, right? So in my case, I had $3,000 package, then $5,000 package, and then it was double $10,000 package, right? So the middle one was the best value for their money, and that's how, like, basically you want to position that middle package as the best option, so most people will actually take it. From my experience, around 20% will take first package, around 60% will take middle package, and around 20% will actually take you on the most expensive package. But here's the thing, that 20% that will take you on the most expensive package will make you the most revenue, right? It's just this Pareto rule, but it's true, because if your package is 10,000, 15,000, and 20% will take it, well, it will make you more money than these first 2 packages combined. It's just how it works. So, and the benefit of this really is, first, most people are conservative, and if you position that middle package well, they will go for that, right? Because they don't want to be cheap, and maybe they don't want that most expensive one, so they will go middle, and it will make you more money than you are making right now. But second, it totally change the conversation in their head, right? Because on typical sales call, where you offer when you make one offer, the question is, okay, do you want to join? Right? Or do you want to go ahead? Do you want to get started? Right? And the question in their mind is yes or no, right? Yes or no. If they tell you that they need to think about it, it's no, right? So it's yes or no. But if you offer 3 different options, 3 different packages, then the question change in their mind. It's more about, okay, which package should I choose, right? And you can even ask them, which package seems ideal for you? Appeals the most to you, right? And in their mind, they are not already thinking yes or no. They are thinking, okay, what package seems ideal for me at this moment? So it's extremely powerful. It totally changed the perspective, the conversation. And also, if you make that most expensive package really expensive, right? It will be double, triple, quadruple the price of the middle package. Well, it creates something called pricing contrast, right? Where even like if you are charging for the middle package $10,000, if you just make the offer for $10,000 package, they may think it's expensive. But if you have also another package that costs, let's say, $30,000, well, it makes this contrast, well, where basically 10 grand doesn't seem expensive anymore, because they compare it to your 30K package. Does it make sense? So you literally make it feel that 10 grand is actually inexpensive. So it's really powerful. If you do that, you can literally triple, quadruple your average order value from every client, because some small segment of your market will be willing to pay for premium prices. Same as with airlines, with flight tickets, they will go for the premium option, and it's what will make you the most money. So definitely, right away, right now, after you stop watching this video, sit down for 1 hour, write down exactly what can you offer for higher prices, and on the next sales call, or if you are selling through the video, through the website, whatever it is, just include 2 more options, create 3 different packages, and see what happens. If you enjoyed this video right now, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends. I always appreciate if someone share my videos. It means so much for me because I try to provide as much value as possible. And if you can reach more people, it's like, it's amazing. So make sure to share it if you found it valuable, and subscribe for more videos like this. I create 3 weekly videos right now. I hope you are enjoying it so far. And if you want to learn more how to market and sell your products or services online, click on the next video here, and I will see you there. Bye bye.